our energetic district supervisor, Ma'am Maxima C. Vanjola, our patient and fatherly principal, Sir Rafi Bersabal, and our former, resourceful, and very supportive principal, Sir Geoffrey Rapanot, our barangay officials, headed by our barangay captain, Sir Warlito R. Serquiña, and his subordinates. My dear teachers, beloved parents, visitors, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today marks an important moment in our lives as members of the graduating class. To us graduates, this is a very special occasion, for indeed, there's no other event more inspiring and satisfying in one's formal education than one's graduation. Like you, I'm filled with mixed emotions. My heart is filled with delight. For at long last, my sacrifices and that of my parents for the past 6 years have come to an end. It was 6 long years of an arduous job of burning the midnight candle. Sadness overwhelms me too, for we, graduating class, will soon leave the portals of our alma mater, the Cacabugaoan Elementary School. We will be leaving our teachers who are always with us in our strife to find our places under the sun. Likewise, we will soon part ways with our friends whom we shared the memories of the school days escapades. Today is our closing exercises. We just have finished the first step, which is always the beginning of a journey of 1,000 miles. We should not take poverty and hardships as hindrance as we aspire for higher and nobler ambitions. If you look around, you'll find many who become a professionals or successful in their chosen field because they want to get out on the hard realities of life. On this occasion, we should not salute ourselves alone. We should also give credits to our dear parents and teachers. To our parents, we convey our heartfelt gratitude for all the love and unaccountable benefits that you bestowed upon us. Your many sacrifices to earn something, to support us, and send us to school are just few of the things that cannot be brushed aside. We shall congratulate our mentors too, although they are strict at times for a job well done. Thanks a lot. You are the ones who nurtured us in this school, which we consider our second home. To you, my co-graduates, I ask you to look back and cherish the good old days. Remember what we have done for the past years that were sheltered by this school. The lessons should not fill on deaf ears. Rather, we should use them as vehicle to move forward. After graduation, the scenario will be very different. We should not therefore waste our time for nasty things. Let us inculcate in our minds that time cannot be stopped, cannot be stretched, and there is a time for everything. In closing, I would like to express once again my gratitude to my parents, teachers, visitors, and benefactors, and most of all, our God Jehovah for making this day meaningful to me and to my fellow graduates. I thank you. A pleasant morning to all of us.
The very talented Public Schools District Supervisor, Madam Maxima C. Banjola. Equally active Schools Head, Sir Rafi M. Bersabal. Equally talented teachers, barangay officials, PTA officials, beloved parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a fine morning. At this moment, our hearts are overwhelming with joy and satisfaction, for now, we have attained the glory to one of our aspirations in life. Our graduation day, despite of pandemic, today is the culmination of the 6 years of struggle in the elementary level. Now comes the time to from our alma mater. Before we take our final bow, we remember with fondness and precious years of stay, which were full of memories because she has shaped our formative years, which changed us from innocent little children to grow up boys and girls equipped with knowledge to pursue the secondary level of education. We have learned some of the fundamental truth of what life is and what we are living for. We still have a long way to go through to prepare ourselves for greater work and responsibilities in a more challenging future. Especially, we are now on the K-12 curriculum, and the theme for this year's Sulong Edukalidad, championing the nation's future. This early, we have to begin preparing ourselves to obstacle, challenges, and uncertainties. We look back to our first grade to the sixth grade and see how beautiful and memorable the years we have been. They are full of memories with fun and laughter with classmates. The joys and pains we had together shall never be forgotten. For all of this, we were molded to become useful and upright citizens, change our bad attitudes to desirable ones, equipped with knowledge to help us to be ready to tackle our high school life. For this, we commend our teachers whose untiring effort molded us into what we are now. To our understanding head teacher, I salute you for your unending personal guidance and meritorious endeavor in shaping us to be person we ought to be. To our parents and guardians, we thank you for your affection and support. We thank you for your encouragement to study harder until we reach our goal in life. All of this make you proud of us. Most of all, thank you, dear God, for all the blessings. Now I say, good luck, good health, and God bless. Thank you.